5 useful tips and tricks in Adobe After Effects. Tip 1. Comp Mini Flowchart. Comp Mini Flowchart comes in handy when working with multiple composition in After Effects. Some projects have too many compositions, and Comp Mini Flowchart help us back to where we started. There are 2 ways of navigating with Comp Mini Flowchart. There is a keyboard shortcut we can use or a button we can press. The Comp Mini Flowchart button is located in the After Effects timeline just above our layers. The Comp Mini Flowchart keyboard shortcut is the Tab key. Tip 2. Edit guide position numerically. Drag out a guide inside After Effects canvas like so. Right-click on the guide. Next, click on Edit Position. Type 300 inside the white box and then click OK. The guide will automatically snap to 300. You can do the same thing horizontally. Drag out your horizontal guideline, right-click on it, and click Edit Position. The guide will snap to 400 horizontally. Tip 3. Switching between time and frames. Switching between time and frame in After Effects is simple. Hold down Control on a PC or CMD on a Mac and click on the time code in After Effects. Tip 4. Reset scale and rotation. To reset the rotation back to 100, select the layers you want to reset and then double-click on the rotation tool at the top left corner of your screen. Tip 5. Copy with property links. Let's say I have 4 layers and I want to control the rotation property of all 4 layers, all at once. How do I do it? First, select one ration property. Then go to Edit, Copy with Property Link. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus C on a PC or CMD plus Alt plus C on a Mac. Then select all the other rotation properties. Go to Edit, Paste. You can also use the Paste keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus V on a PC or CMD plus V on a Mac. Now one rotation property can control all the other rotation properties. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. To get more tips and tricks, please subscribe.